Today unboxing is on my very small Tomica Nismo Model Car series. The difference between this series and mainline Tomica is these are only Japan exclusive, available at the Nismo Festival and also Nissan online shop in Japan. Unlike the regular, these are harder to come by. Over the years, I only managed to purchase these locally at my favorite hobby shop, Let's Play, and also hobby shops in Japan, including diecast event. But this year is something special. My buddy James from Japan went to the Nismo Festival and managed to get a couple to share with me and our buddies. So thank you very much, James. All the Nismo Model Car Collection comes with a wrapper with a huge Nissan Group barcode sticker. This is the same for the Nismo initial model as well, which I'll do an unboxing very soon. And also a huge Nismo playset, which I'll do an unboxing very soon. I really like the box design, it's unique. The casting and the logo is set against the brush metal and also the carbon fiber background. The name and specs of the casting is at the side of the box. You can see it's a 2019 GTR. Also included is the clear decal. I wouldn't apply this onto the casting because I know it won't hold based on past experience. Wow, this casting looks great. Although the finishing is rather basic, it's close to the mainline series. The Nismo branding is very strong, with the body color in striking red together with the Moto logo. I really like this livery design, it's very dynamic and very sleek. And of course, just like the mainline, it comes with a factory standard suspension together with opening doors. On the rear, I like the high gloss black paint finish together with the rear wing in ABS plastic. Although it's a pity that the headlights are painted, I like the GTR logo, which is very sharp. Next, the 2019 Nismo truck, which is the only truck in the entire series. Very unique. I did the review before, so if you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. The 2018 Cross Sports Moto GTR in white, which is my favorite because it stands out among the red. Also the 2018 Moto GTR, which is the Round 2 Fuji winner casting. As a series, all this Tomica Nismo looks awesome. Next, the Moto GTR in 2017 color. I remember I got this casting from the Japanese seller at Singapore Diecast Expo. This 2016 Nismo GTR is rather unique. It comes in a combination of red and gunmetal body color, which stands out among the rest. And lastly, the Nismo GTR in 2012 color. I can't really recall because I wasn't really serious about collecting Tomica back then in 2012. And yes, this casting is really one of them that got me hooked into collecting Tomica. What I really like is the body color in a combination of gunmetal and red. And you can see the roof is in metallic color, very close to Spectra frame in Hot Wheels term, which is really awesome. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!